Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stew some conch. So conch, also known as lambi. So here we go. So I have my conch here already cleaned and it's tenderized, but first what I did was after I cleaned the conch, I put it to soak in some water with some lemon juice. You could use lime juice as well, and that was soaking in that water for about half an hour. Then I put the conch in my pot to tenderize because it's a bit stiff. Sorry, not stiff, tough. So I had to tenderize it, and that was maybe for about an hour. And so this is the conch, all nice and tender. So I'm gonna season it now with starting with some onion, a bit of the onion, right? And then I'm gonna add, I have here some parsley and some celery finely chopped. I'm gonna add a bit of each. I'm going to add some seasoning pepper, finely chopped, garlic, finely chopped, and some lemon juice. You could use lime juice as well. This is cayenne pepper, a bit of cayenne pepper, a bit of black pepper, then I have here some Sazon seasoning. I'm going to use half of the pack. Just mix everything together. I'm going to allow this to marinate for about an hour or 2 hours. So here's my pot on the stove. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to add the balance of the onion. Seasoning pepper, and we'll saute this for a few seconds. I'm adding the rest of the garlic, and this is some tomato paste. This is about a tablespoon and a half. 1 tablespoon and a half of the tomato paste. I'm going to add a small bit of water to loosen up the tomato paste a bit. Now I'm going to add the seasoned conch that was marinating for quite a while. Mixing that with the tomato paste. Now I'm going to add some water and allow the conch to absorb all those beautiful flavors. Now I'm going to add the balance of the celery and the parsley. And a few strips of sweet pepper. Red sweet pepper. So since I want more gravy to my stew, I'm going to add some more water and let this simmer for a few minutes again. There you have it, folks. This is my stew conch looking all so good. I can't wait to indulge in this. It looks so yummy, so delicious. I love the colors. Yeah, baby. Okay folks, this is my stew conch, all ready to be eaten. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. and don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe. Much love. Martina.